Looking for a quick heating, easy-to-use hot glue gun for your crafts and repairs? The Assark Mini Hot Glue Gun is the perfect tool for DIY projects, school crafts, home repairs, and more. With super fast heating, this glue gun is ready in just 3 to 5 minutes, so you can get started right away. It maintains a constant temperature for smooth and controlled glue application. No drips, no mess. The anti-drip nozzle ensures precision gluing, while the heat-resistant rubber cap keeps you safe from accidental burns. It features a fold-up holder for stability and an on-off switch for added safety, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Whether you're bonding wood, fabric, plastic, paper, or ceramics, this hot glue gun makes crafting easy and fun. Unleash your creativity with the Assark Mini Hot Glue Gun. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome finds.